Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone looking to keep their pantry organized and their ingredients fresh: glass storage jars. Specifically, we'll be exploring why these are the best lentils storage containers you can find. Stick around as we break down their features and benefits. These glass storage jars are more than just containers. They're a solution to keeping your kitchen essentials neatly stored and easily accessible. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen enthusiast, having the right storage can make all the difference. Let's jump into what makes these jars stand out. First off, these jars are crafted from high-quality glass, ensuring durability and allowing you to see exactly what's inside at a glance. This transparency not only looks sleek but also helps you keep track of your lentil stock and other dry goods. Each jar is topped with an airtight bamboo lid, designed not only for aesthetic appeal but also to maintain the freshness of your lentils. This ensures they stay flavorful and ready for your next culinary creation. One of the standout features of these jars is their versatility. They're not just for lentils. They're perfect for storing a wide range of pantry staples, from rice and pasta to nuts and dried fruits. The various sizes available cater to different storage needs, making them a practical addition to any kitchen. Another reason to love these jars is their eco-friendliness. The glass construction is not only durable but also environmentally sustainable, offering a plastic-free alternative for conscious consumers. Plus, the bamboo lids add a touch of natural elegance while being renewable and biodegradable. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen organization game, these glass storage jars are a top contender. They combine style, functionality, and eco-conscious design in one package. Whether you're storing lentils for your favorite recipes or keeping your pantry neat and tidy, these jars are a smart choice. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful product reviews. Have you tried these glass storage jars? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay organized and keep cooking.